Something that's really important when you are going to disinfect your tools is first you need to actually wash your tools. You want to scrub them with soap and water and rinse them off. So I keep all of my tools in a dirty bin so that I know which tools are dirty and which tools are clean. And I can come in at the end of the day and scrub all the dirty tools. If you don't have enough tools to wait until the end of the day, of course you can scrub them throughout the day and disinfect them. But making sure that you have your tools scrubbed clean is how you keep your disinfectant clean, and it keeps your disinfectant effective. If you're not scrubbing your tools with soap and water before you put them in your disinfectant, you're actually contaminating your disinfectant, and then it's not cleaning your tools like you think it is. Even your e-file bits, like these guys, need to be scrubbed with soap and water thoroughly before you're putting them in the disinfectant. And be careful when you're scrubbing those over the sink that you have some sort of drain catch in case you should accidentally drop one of your bits that doesn't go down the drain. That would be a really expensive, sad loss. Another really important tip, before you put all of your tools in your disinfectant, you need to dry them. So once I have everything scrubbed with soap and water and get it nice and clean, we're going to set it over and dry it. Because if you put wet tools in your disinfectant, this is going to dilute your disinfectant. The disinfectant that I happen to be using is HLD8 from Virox. And the HLD8 is a 21-day disinfectant. Since it's going to be good for 21 days, I definitely don't want to dilute it with any water. And I had seen some people mention that their HLD8 was turning yellow, and I was curious what might cause that. So I tried just not rinsing my tools in an experiment at home and found that if you don't rinse your tools, over the course of the 21 days, your HLD8 will turn yellow. So if you're having some issues with your HLD8 turning yellow, make sure that you're completely drying off your tools before you put them in your disinfectant. Once I have all my tools completely dried off and laid out, if I don't already have some disinfectant poured in, I'm going to pour enough of my HLD8 into my disinfection tray to completely cover my tools. What I love about HLD8 is it doesn't have to be diluted. It's already perfectly mixed in the jug. So I can set it right into the liquid. It's completely covered and it's going to be good to go for 21 days. Then I will close it. It only has to sit for 8 minutes and then it's ready to go. Another important thing is when your tools are finished disinfecting, you're going to want to make sure and rinse and dry them again. Then go ahead and put them in a closed container marked clean so that you remember where your clean tools are and so that your customers know that these are clean tools you're pulling out to use on them. HLD8 is a high-level disinfectant, so this is actually only one step down from sterilization. I hope you love using your HLD8 disinfectant as much as I do. It's good for 21 days. As you can see, there's no mixing. Just remember to clean your tools properly before you put it in there. Thanks for watching.